One of my favorite types of videos is the reaction video. Anyways, today we're going to listen to this right here, 100 sound effects, and this is actually volume 1. So I've got it queued up here and it's just starting, and we're starting off with a dentist working on patient. Oh, oh my God. I'm in pain. Oh gosh. Next up we got rolling thunder. I hate thunderstorms. Freaks me right out. It's realistic. Holy moly. Next up we got pigs feeding. I can feel the mud. Can you feel the mud tonight? Oh, is that? Oh, okay. Martian gun blasts. Intergalactic battle. It's like Star Wars in your head. Oh, goes from side to side. It's in stereo. These sound effects are in stereo. Police car in chase in traffic. Ooh. It wasn't me, I swear. It wasn't me. Horse race. Horse race. Okay. There they go. Music box. Music box dancer. Oh, that's one of my favorite. Hear it? Oh, no, you can't hear it because only I can hear it. I'm just reacting to it. Okay. Canary birds. It's like having a bird cage in your house. Oh, I love the sound of canaries in the morning. Motorcycle. Skids to stop. Wear a helmet. Oh. Squeaky door. Oh, you're not supposed to hear that. I'm supposed to hear that and react. Anyways, if you want a really good sound effects CD, I would rate this very high, like in the upper echelons of sound effect CDs.